Hello there. Welcome to the digital realm, where website speed emerges as a pivotal force influencing user experience and SEO performance. In today's digital age, website speed plays a crucial role in user experience and search engine optimization. With an increasing number of users accessing websites on their mobile devices, it's more important than ever to ensure that websites load quickly and efficiently. Website speed affects user experience in many ways. Slow loading websites can lead to frustrated users who are likely to abandon the site and visit a competitor instead. Visitors expect websites to load in a matter of seconds, and anything longer can result in a poor user experience. In addition to user experience, website speed also affects SEO. Search engines like Google take into account the load time of a website when determining search rankings. Websites that load quickly are more likely to rank higher in search results, resulting in increased visibility and traffic. To ensure optimal website speed, it's important to regularly audit and optimize the site's code, compress and optimize images, and enable browser caching. By prioritizing website speed, businesses can improve user experience and boost their search engine rankings. Thank you for taking the time to explore the significance of website speed. Remember, by prioritizing optimization, you ensure a seamless user journey and greater search engine visibility. Wishing you success in your online endeavors. Rachel to the rescue.